Looking for powerful CAD software that makes 3D modeling straightforward? Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to create 3D models using CAD Mate. In this video, we'll walk step by step through building a simple mechanical part so you can see just how flexible and intuitive CAD Mate can be. Let's get started. First, make sure you've switched to the 3D modeling workspace. This way, all the tools you need will be right at your fingertips. We'll begin by creating the base of our model. Type REC in the command line to draw a rectangle. We'll set it to be a perfect square. Type 500, press Tab, then type 500 again to lock in the dimensions. Once the base outline is ready, let's give it height. Select Extrude, click the rectangle and enter 25 to define how tall you want it. Just like that, your 2D shape becomes a 3D solid. To soften the edges, go to the Solid tab and click Fillet Edge. Then simply click on any edge you'd like to round off. The tool stays active, so you can continue selecting edges until you're happy with the result. No need to re-click the button each time. Next, let's add a cylinder. One way is to start with a circle. Choose Circle, click where you want the center, and either drag to set the size or type the radius directly. Then click Extrude and specify the height to create the cylinder. Or, if you prefer, you can go straight to the Cylinder tool. Click on the location where you'd like it to start. When prompted, choose Center to set that point as the cylinder's center. Enter the radius and CAD Mate will automatically activate extrusion. Just type the height and you're done. If you want to add more cylinders, you can copy and paste the first one. As you move the copy, CAD Mate highlights center points to help you align everything perfectly and keep the design symmetrical. Now let's create holes through the base. Go to the Solids tab, click Subtract, and select all the cylinders you've added. The software will instantly subtract them from the base, creating clean openings. To build a hollow pipe in the center, you can use a slightly different approach. Start by drawing two circles, one inside the other, at the center of your base. This time, instead of creating a solid right away, you'll create a surface or a mesh from the outer circle. Then, subtract the inner circle so you're left with just the ring shape. Next, extrude this ring to the height you want, forming the walls of the pipe. If you'd like to add another flange to the front of the pipe, you can simply copy the one you created on the bottom. While you move it, you'll notice CAD Mate shows guidelines to help you position it precisely. When you're satisfied with the placement, it's time to combine everything into a single object. Click Union, select all parts, and CAD Mate merges them into one solid model. This step is important, especially if you plan to fillet the connections between the cylinders and flanges, ensuring everything is smooth and continuous. Finally, to clean up any sharp edges, use Chamfer Edge and adjust the chamfer settings as needed. On the left, you'll find all the object properties neatly organized so you can tweak materials, colors, or other parameters. And there you have it, a complete 3D part built step by step in CAD Mate. Ready to explore more? Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into modeling tools and show you how to bring even more of your ideas to life. Happy designing!